Is this going to be on sale on the Steamchasers website? Available at www.steamchasers.co.uk. Just the camera needs to see.
We're shooting into the sun here, so I'll come over here. Let's do it as an unboxing video now. Oop. It's my first day. Ta-da!
Is it Clone Wars Obi-Wan as well? It's Clone Wars Obi-Wan, that's General Kenobi. Amazing.
Hello. Professional. Hello there. Right, Obi-Wan. Alright, Obi-Wan.
Alright, Obi-Wan. General Kenobi.
General Kenobi.
I've been expecting you.
I want him.
He's in a little baggie, he's fine.
I want him, I don't care. You're gonna have to come out of the bag. Wow. It's my favourite Obi-Wan Kenobi. Does he sit down? No, he doesn't.
I don't know, I'm not playing with him.
No. Evans! Welcome to the Steamchasers Steam Chest, created because I was left unsupervised with the Wish website. Brought to you by the same person who gave you the great things such as the Red Hot Chili Peppers CD, a 2-foot gin so, and best of all, the Russian hamster.
Talk to it. Okay. We didn't think you were annoying enough. So I've got you an assistant. It's Russian. Have you not seen him on the? It's been in our house for about 6 months because somebody keep I'm scared. Have you not seen him? That's... No, stop it! No! That's terrifying. That is the most terrifying thing ever. You have never bought me something more terrifying than this. Oh, the peak's already. That's... Don't switch it back on. I don't know what to say. I don't even want to look at it anymore. Can I have my presents back? I need to get something completely different. I need a breath of fresh air.
What happens to that? Enjoy.
As you may have guessed, I wasn't supposed to be here while he was opening this. Smothered. There you go. Sorted.
This is your destiny. Fog pile.
Do the corks correctly. Just love the time of the...
Excellent. When we finally get back to railways, I'll finally have my wig.
No, put it on now. Put it on.
Evans test, day 1. No wig.
Still no wig.
After 3 weeks of him telling me that he's going to get me a wig, I'm yet to have a wig. Finished? Yep.
Oh, I've not brought the phone in, damn it.
Ooh, it's soft. So did this come from Wish?
Everything's from Wish.
Alright. It's not big enough.
It fits me, it must be big enough. It does fit, you just have to put it on right. There you go, lovely. Sorted.
Have a look. Let's see. Oh, of course, face detection won't work. Excellent. Is there a certain way to open this?
Pass. I can't remember it before a month ago.
What happens to your obsession with duct tape?
Duct tape would be worse, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but at least I know where I stand. You've confused me.
I had to unwrap it, wash it, and then put it back in a bag. I'm not using duct tape.
It is. It is.
We may be going back 6 or 7 years with these references. The Coca-Cola shop.
Right. I see. Thank you.
It was the that's the just in case present, in case that one didn't arrive.
This one?
Yeah, no, not that one.
Oh.
That one.
There we go. This one.
Because Ollie's there.
Oh, not more bloody Stay Fresh meat bags.
Say that again for the camera. That's the correct response. That's what you want. Oh, not more Stay Fresh meat bags.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to have many General Kenobis.
I ordered 2, just in case, and they both arrived.
Excellent. Very happy.
I assume, with Wish, that things don't arrive.
Okay. I'll have to look at the good news now.
Do it properly.
Good news! Oh my god. Good news! Won't come out the back. This wig is really hot.
You're supposed to look at that one.
Well,
That's the good news.
oh, are they those stiff pants?
Yeah.
Ah. Excellent.
You'd have an option then, don't you?
Yeah.
You could put the Dacia one in just to confuse people. That's to go with the wig.
It's not high enough.
We've got enough sellotape, sort it. And that is what I thought they'd sent when they sent the ladybird.
Oh, right. No, that's nice. That's nice, I like that.
Should fit you better than mine.
Very nice. You seen the new game? Yeah. You seen the footage? That's so fast then. That's like surprised. I like how your rapping skills has now gone worse than mine. I'm supposed to be the worst rapper.
I used to put a lot of effort in and then you stopped giving a shit, so you know.
I never gave a shit.
Exactly, so I should have on it.
Oh look, stay fresh mini bags.
Can't find the coconut.
I really can't find a coconut.
Can't find coconut.
We've got thousands of stuff, you know. Funny.
There's no bunny.
At the
Oh,
roundabout,
bunny underneath the car.
take the third exit.
Stupid bunny. 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 Oh. I'm scared for life now. Yeah.
No, drop the bunny. Out of interest, has this been lying around since Easter?
Maybe. It's still in date though.
Okay.
Unlike every Ashens video, our stuff's still in date, yeah. Steamchasers.